Okay, brothers. So can I say on these candles, just looking at the candles, let's try increase the size of the candle. So look at this candle. Is it a break bar candle or pushing in direction candle?
Pushing in direction.
Pushing in the direction candle.
Okay.
Pushing in direction.
Okay, good. And this is a push bar candle or pushing in direction candle?
Pushing in
In
direction.
direction candle.
Okay. And this is a break bar candle or pushing in direction candle?
Break
bar candle.
Break bar.
Very good. Very good. Very good. And it's a push candle or pushing in direction candle?
Push candle.
Pushing candle.
candle.
Push candle, okay. So name are matching, okay. So I memorize one thing here. When I was teaching the small kids, so today I memorized that thing. When I was teaching them ABC alphabet, so I was asking them, what is this? Is it a or is it a B? Okay. Because it's a critical software, brother. I cannot give you education like a price action or VSA. It's very important. I can teach you like this one. So it's a pushing in direction. Okay, it's a pushing in direction or it's pushing candle, push candle. This one because it's a wick. It's a push candle. Okay, it's a push candle. So now look at, we have three types of trend in this market. The one trend is downtrend. The one trend is uptrend and one is ranging. So keep in mind, brother, keep in mind, when you are in downtrend, you don't take a call option. It's your filter. It's your filter. When in the downtrend, if you are taking the signal on the stop bar, it will not work. When you are taking the call option on the breaking bar, it will not work. When you are taking the trade on the stop bars, it will not work. Most of the time, it is not working. Why? We are in the downtrend. So in the downtrend, only we will take the sale options. Got it? And in uptrend, all the call options. When you see the market is ranging, all these type of signals working for you. So you can trade all the signals in the ranging market. But when you are in the trend, you look in the IQ option will give you clear idea that where are you. And also you can add the moving average in this software also. 50 moving average you can add, 20 moving average you can add. So you must follow the trend. And trend when you follow, then most of the time you will win. Okay? So here, look at. Even you are not looking at the weakness of the candle, then you can trade. So this type of candle, when you see it's a weakness in the seller's candle, then you can continue for the buyers. But these strong candles not suggesting you that you can take a reversal signal. But these type of candles, there are so many candles, it's suggesting you that you can place the put option. There are so many put options opportunities in this trend. And there are so many call option opportunities in an uptrend, which is showing that market is moving up. So now in this candle, look at see. So the control is above the closing price, you can continue. And Control is here. You cannot take a reversal signal. Why you cannot take a reversal signal? It's looking at a strong candle after after morning star. You must follow the pattern. So there is a morning star pattern, and after morning star pattern, it's a strong candle. It's not a reversal signal. So market will move up, not it will move down. Before you will follow the price action pattern. So we are not just going to the boxes. When only you are going to the boxes, then sometimes you can win and most of the time you can lose. Also, you follow these all the things, okay? And here, so now you understand that a morning star pattern appeared here. The three consecutive candles goes up. Three consecutive candle goes up. Here the concept appears that this is a lower high, this is a higher high. The next candlestick must goes up. And again, you see that this candle not broken the lower low of this candle, and it's again make a higher high, and the volume is increasing, and there is no volume in this area. You see there is any other boxes which is confluencing on this box? No, not confluencing. So it means it's a continuation signal. But now when the market moves here, you look at the candle is this box. Do you see there is a huge pressure in this area at the bottom? When the pressure appear here, market moves down. So this box will work for you. And when market moving down, it's make a pattern. What it's make a? It's make a pattern. Because this candle have a, we can say it's a break bar, not a stop bar. And break bar is the continuation signal, not a reversal signal. So we cannot take just a, we cannot think that market is strong at the bottom of the candle. No, it's not the bottom of the candle. So bottom of the candle is here. So this is a spinning top candle and strong at the lower bottom, lower wick. So lower wick is from the buyer side. So buyers are stronger, not sellers are stronger, that you can continue up. So in this candle, now you see that that is a candle which is what suggesting it's an inverted hammer. The inverted hammer is strong at the top. So the sellers are here, not on the closing price. Market must move up. But after this candle, what
Sir, but why move up after this inverted hammer? I mean,
because
it's a
the
stopping bar.
seller's
Stop
pressure
bar.
is at the top. It's not a stop. Stop bar is only we can take the signal which is stop on the here or which is stop on the here.
Okay.
It's a
There is gap.
continuation. There is a
There
gap.
is
The buyers will fill the gap. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
And this candle is what suggesting. Another point. This arrow is what saying. This arrow is saying that they broke the level. They broke the level. When this type of arrow, underline arrow appear on every candle, any candle, it's suggesting that a level is broken. The level is broken. And this arrow is suggesting that they are pushing slightly in up direction. When slightly, why they are saying they're slightly pushing, slow market candle moving up and slow moving down, slow moving up, slow moving down. So this is a information in this arrow that the market is moving slow. It means the seller's pressure is not there. So this is a slow moving down, this one candle. So this candle in the candlestick ranges, when I teach in the price action, it's a neutral candle. It's a neutral candle. And then we will move to here. I will give you the filter threads also here, that how we can understand this volume. Okay? Just we are looking at the strength and weakness of the candle. So look at after this candle, what suggesting it's going up. So now tell me here, we can say that that is a stop bar candle.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. We can say that that is a stop bar candle. But the closing price have a little bit difference. There is a one tick from this level, this tick. It means the sellers are not strong here, not strong here, not strong here, not strong here. They are strong here. Okay. So now
Yes.
the reason of this candlestick going up, there is a little bit difference. There is what? There is a little bit difference. In this candlestick bodies and wicks and IQ option candlestick bodies and wick. If you are looking there, that is a green candle. It's not a green
Yes.
candle, it's a doji candle in the IQ option.
Or maybe a red candle.
Maybe a red candle. So this, because these type of candles in this chart is coming from the MT5. Forex broker, not coming from the IQ option. IQ option supplier is different. This IC market supplier is different. And when we are compiling all the candles into delta river, maybe the delta river is making some changes in the candles. So why I'm saying that don't take on the small candles. That is the reason. When
So, sir, I
yes.
don't know if you've observed, but
Mhm.
I've seen it quite a few times. So, whenever it reaches a level, like for example, if this is a level, right? So whenever price reaches a level, and like from a price action point of view, I can see that this is a reversal point, and even we get a stopping volume, right?
Yes, yes.
But the candle would, become something like this, like a doji or something, and within a few seconds, this delta would move from the bottom to somewhere in between.
Okay, I'm giving you one approach here.
Sir, I have.
Yes, asking first.
Sir, you said yesterday that the delta rivers will provide us different values in our different computers.
Yes.
So how can I ensure in my chart that this is the point here the buyers are strong or sellers are strong?
Yes.
It will differ from you to me or different peoples. So
Yes.
what will be the correct one? What will be the
So
idea to identify?
yes, yes. The good question. Okay. So I'm talking that if the volume is 24, if the volume is 74 and volume is 47, then you take the trade.
Okay.
Tell me. If I say when the digit is 71 or digit is 75 or digit is 50 or digit is above 100, then you take a trade. I did not saying about the what the digit is showing in your computer or what the digit is showing in my computer. I am just showing you the where is the point of control.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so digit is not meaning for me, but this box suggesting me that is the point of control. Maybe the point of control maybe differ in your computer here and in my computer here. Maybe it can differ. It's I'm accepting. Okay, so this can be differ. There may be here your volume is showing the 50 and here 47. So the in your computer the box will be appear here. That can be
That
possible. Okay,
that was my question, sir. So
that can be possible. Yes. So we are only taking the strong signals. Okay, we are not taking the weak signals, only taking the strong signals. So strong signals, which I told you, push bar,
Push and stop.
push and stop. So these type of signals are accurate signals on every computer, because when there is a Kapil in this group, so Kapil and me, we practice on this type of information maybe more than 1 month. And he opens the computer, also I open the computer, and we are taking the trade together, and we compare the trades, what's the difference. So when we are taking the trades on the push and stop bar, all the trades are good. When we are taking the trades on the break bar sometimes good, but the no, which one? The pushing in direction. So these type of two signals, pushing in direction and this break bar on the small candles. Which candles? On the small candles, the result is different. So small candles are just like a spinning top, like a inverted hammer, dojis. Okay, wait one minute. There is azan. I will talk to you later. Okay, there are some queries from the members that some member are asking that there are not more pairs are showing in the delta river. Someone is saying that we are not receiving the all candles. Like in my chart, there are so many candles, but in their chart there is a little bit little candles are some amount of candles. So I suggesting you people that you just install the team viewer. One by one I will check every member that his software is working well or not working. So this is the
Okay,
only
sir.
way that I can check that on the team viewer. I can check your software is working good or not, your software is loading the template or not. Okay, so there are so many queries. I cannot solve these type of queries on the messages, but I can see, I can solve. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
this one I will clear all the queries in the team viewer. So here I'm just saying to you, tomorrow we have a last query session in the Delta River. There are some more other information which is still not I shared. Okay, so tomorrow I will cover these all query in the Delta River, and Saturday and Sunday market, forex market is closed. We cannot trade on the Delta River. So on the Monday we can trade. It means the Saturday and Sunday we will not take a session. On the Monday we will take a session again. And some trades I will take on the Delta River and will teach you how I'm trading on the Delta River. Okay, so tomorrow is last day of theory session in the Delta River. And on from the Monday, then we will see that how many days we can take a trade and how much we can take a trade. So these things we will decide on the Monday. But tomorrow is the last session of theory, and Saturday, Sunday we will not take a session. And on the Monday again we will start on the Delta River. So here I'm showing you that tomorrow what I will teach you. Okay. So here now all the members they understand which is the push bar, breaking bar, and all types of bars, and where the candle showing the volume high point of control, which is the half body of the candle. Everything is now cleared. And in this,
Sir,
yes,
sir, I have one doubt, sir.
what?
Uh, this is a stop bar. Am I right?
Which one? Yes.
Yeah. But next candle goes up, sir.
Why the next candlestick goes up?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. this candle, when breaking the levels, do you see there is a volume? There is a volume. Okay, this
Okay,
is
sir.
volume. How much
Sir.
amount you are looking at the volume? How much amount? Is it greater than this amount? This is only 14. This is only
Okay, sir.
14. And 14, you can understand that 11 is there, 10 is there, 9 is there. The 14 cannot suggesting me that it's a seller's pressure. It's a stop.
Okay, sir.
Okay, the volume is very low here. So sometimes when in these three candles, you see that there is no volume in these type of candles. Okay, so here also the stopping, but the 6 is volume. So how we can take a trade? Here is a 16 and look at the volume, how the candle jump and make a red candle. So these type of candles we cannot trade. Okay, okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. And so
Sir,
yes, brother.
one doubt also.
Yes, yes. Ask me, ask me.
For example, for a push bar in a bullish candle, so which part do we need to add the digits on top and below? Because last night we tried to add those digits, right?
Yeah, look it. Yeah, look it. So is it a push bar? Is it a push bar?
Yes, sir.
So in the push bar, where is the volume is high? In the opening price or below the opening price? The opening price or below the opening price? Okay. So below the 50% level, if the volume is high, we can consider it's a buyer candle is strong. We can continue the next signal. It can go up. So now again you ask, what was the query on the push bar? Is that one the query or another, still another query on the push bar which you asked me? Once again you ask me question.
Yes, sir. So yesterday we are adding the digits based on the position of POC, right? If it's above the POC or below the POC.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I understand. Okay, now I understand. So that is a 56 and that is a 49. 49 is greater than the greater than all the volume, so it's supporting to the 56. This one, this type
Yes, sir.
of
So
this type of you are talking information. Am I right?
Sir.
Yes. Yes.
So 43 plus 24, right? Is that do we need to add those two below that 56?
Okay. So this concept, what is suggesting us? This concept suggesting us that if the volume from the 50 candle, 50% of the candle is strong here, but the point of control is here, and strong here. Okay. So this all 50 below the level is suggesting that your whole candle is strong. You can continue. Okay, but in this type of candle, when you see that any type of like this one candle, the volume is stronger here, okay, and other is not stronger, just a little bit volume, but here not more than this point of control, but in these all the conditions that the volume is stronger is not greater than the point of control, but it's a stronger volume. So it's making candle weak. It's making candle weak.
Okay, so it's not safe to trade
It's
on
not
this
safe
candle.
to trade in direction of this trend. It's not safe.
Okay.
Why? Because the volume increasing on the bar, only there is a one sign that if when the candle is breaking any support and resistance level, that's the reason the volume is increasing. Otherwise, if there is no support and resistance, and volume must increase at the opening of the candle. If the volume increasing on middle on 50% level and on the 75% level, on the 100% level, so it means there are any level, that's why volume increasing. If in this candle volume not increasing, it means no level is affecting on this candle. if that is a level, okay, in this level when the seller buyers are crossing, there is no interest from the sellers we are looking here. So it means sellers are not stronger. They're not interested to come in the market. So this type of information tomorrow I will clear. I know I may remember these things, okay? So
Yes, sir.
the tomorrow our topic, this one, we will look into digits also, that how the digits are supporting to each other. And another, the important thing, very, very important thing. We are looking in this box is a totally red. This box is a green outline. This box is a red outline. What is the function of these things? So these are very important. Okay? These are very important. These type of information tomorrow I will clear. When we are looking the red outline bar in the red candle and red outline bar in the green candle, what is the effect of this red line? What is the effect of the green red line? And what is the effect of the totally, if the box is red or totally box is green? So then we will, then our information will be complete. And tomorrow, after this information, I will go to the vertical volume. This vertical volume, how we can analyze, how we can take the trades on the vertical volume. So when these type of candles we are looking, look at the vertical volume. When the inverted hammer you find and the volume is increasing so much, the chances are that market can move reverse. So there are so many chances about these candles. There are so many concepts also I will share tomorrow. But today we cover most information about the delta river candles and their control bar and point of control and the names of the candles. And now we are looking for the next step, these boxes and this vertical volume. Okay, brothers? Is today's session is clear everything?
Yes, sir. One
Yes,
more
sir.
thing.
Yes.
In the videos that you uploaded on YouTube,
Yes.
so you've been taking reversal trades on rejection.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So will we do that as well?
Yes. Yes. So look at that is the example. Look at the volume is increased here.
Yeah.
Okay. And the bias started from here, and I am thinking that when candle reaches to here, the volume, the candle will be rejected. On the
Yes.
highest point of the volume, the candle always rejected. So there is the highest point when the candles goes up, I trade here in a direction of the rejection. Okay, so this
Yeah.
can be traded. This can be traded. Like another example I'm going to show you. So this is very profitable. This is very
Yeah, I
profitable.
tried that. It works sometimes, but sometimes, the movement here, I mean, on Delta River, it says that the price has actually reached the previous point of control, but in IQ option, it's not really coming that far down.
So there is a little bit difference. So it's a very critical. Like when if the rejection is very larger, then you can take a signal. If the rejection is not larger, then it will be critical. So these type of rejections, like we are taking the trades. So sometimes what it's showing, it only this white bar is showing, but in the IQ option we are looking that there is a red candle or that is a green candle. So these type of entries are very dangerous entries. So that's why I'm suggesting that you always take on the big bars, which is pushing bars or stopping bars. Why we have so many opportunities in the market? Why we are taking these type of small consolidation trades that they make unsatisfactory in the trading system, in the trading performance. So we can leave these type of candles. We have so many strategies, so many other concepts to trade in the market. If we are just only looking to confirm that where the candle is stronger and weaker, so we are getting the information from the delta river, and sometimes we are taking the trades on the stop bar and the pushing bars. So we just to make a plan on each and every software, each and every strategy, that how we can use it. So that thing, and tomorrow when I will share the strategy, inshallah, in the group. So when you look at that strategy, maybe your interest will decrease in the Delta River. I think that, but don't decrease your interest on the Delta River. That strategy is yours. It will work for you. And but this Delta River is your extraordinary education. You can use every time when you are going to Forex market. This Delta River will work for you, because you can change the time interval from here. You can change all type of candles, 1 hour candle, 30-minute candle, 10-minute candle. You can change from here, and you can get so many ideas about the Delta River in the Forex trading also. So tomorrow we will complete the information, inshallah, and on the Monday, then we can trade some, and I will give you idea that how we can trade, how we can understand that is a reversal signal or that is a continuation signal. Okay, brothers?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sir,
Thank
sir,
Yes, yes, yes.
sir, sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Ask
So,
me.
is there any specific volume to trade on stop bar, push bar? Any specific
Not a
volume?
specific volume. The specific thing is that the point of
Okay.
control. The
Okay,
specific
sir.
thing is only point of
Okay,
control.
okay.
Okay, and not other
The
signal.
point of control having value?
Eh?
Value? Point of control having any value?
Value is related to each and every candlestick. So in this candle, the volume is different. In this candle, the volume is different. In this candle, the volume is different. We cannot compare these all candles volume to these type of digits. We are just looking at the current candle point of control, the current candlestick volume. Each and every candle have a different volume. And look at here. I will going to show you the difference. So you will say that there are so much difference. How we can then trade? Okay, it's a start, I think, or not. Okay. I think it's a, no, it's not higher. No, it's a start. So you are looking at these type of volumes. Come here. So the last candle have how much volume here?
22.
And this candle, how much volume have here?
Mm,
No,
200 something.
why it's not showing the? This is not. There is a green candle and there is a. Okay, so we are looking at this candle. Okay, so this and this candle is same. So in this candle there is a 22 volume. Okay, and this candle have how much volume here? 210. Do you see the difference? Sometimes we are looking difference. Why we are looking difference? It's the connection. It's the internet connection. The Delta River software needs a high frequency internet connection. On the another computer where I installed the GPU system and installed the there is another type of internet which is fiber internet that is very high. So I installed the fiber internet on that another computer. So now that result is very fine as compared to this laptop result, where I get all the candles are smooth, running very smoothly. It's showing the good volume. It's showing each and every candle very good. But in this internet, in this computer, because this computer is not powerful, this laptop is not powerful, so it's not showing a good result. So when you are working on the Delta River, your computer must be powerful and internet connection must be powerful. So you can understand that sometime in the evening and sometime in the night, the internet getting slower, very slower. That time you don't take the trades with the Delta River, because it will not give you the pings, good pings to catch up the data. So these type of things you can solve your own. Okay. Okay, brothers. So Okay, clear now? We have still 3 minutes. If
Okay, sir.
someone want to ask something, I can. Okay, so Hussein is saying that, sir, how can we open more than one market? Yes, here. Okay, in 3 minutes we can make it. So there is a patron here. Okay, I want to make a AUD, which is AUD is open or not? Okay, not open. AUD USD. Look at. I open the AUD USD, and I'm going to the indicators. There is a delta river client here. River. Okay. I just apply here, and okay, delta river is loaded now here, and I'm moving to here, and there is a menu, add symbol, that is a forex, and there is a AUD USD. Okay, so now the pair is opened. So now it will download the tick history, and then it will show the results. So in a 2 minute or 1 minute, it will take a tick
you, sir.
history. Got it?
Yes, sir. Got it. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, good, brother. So now I'm finishing this meeting here.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.